Hello everyone. In today's lecture we'll discuss about the data type of Python. So in our previous lecture we already learned about the Python basic things, that is Python syntax, Python variable, Python command, like that things, Python comments, how to write comment in Python code, and multiple line, how to write multiple line in a Python code. And after that also Python input, how to get a input, how to give a input, and how to take a output from Python code. That's we already learned our previous video in our previous video. So today we are discussing about the data type in Python. So in this video only we are discussing about the numerical data type and sequence data type. One type is list, that's our discussing in this video. So without any further delay, let's get started. So at first in numerical data type numerical data type is in Python don't need to write or assign any numerical data type in Python code. The data type will be automatically assigned by a Python compiler. We all know in any other language, C programming language, C++ and C hash, Java, any etc language, we have to assign a data type from a variable. Like in C we have to write int x, then after that we can declare the variable value like 3. But in Python we don't need to write or assign any numerical data type for any variable. Automatically the data type will be assigned by the Python compiler. Like we are written there some example, write x equal to 8. You can see x equal to 8. If we write in a Python code only x equal to 8, then the Python compiler automatically assign, and that's an integer number. And if you write in a Python code only price is equal to 26.25, then automatically Python compiler are assigned, that's a float value. And after that in Python number is equal to 3 is 6, there is a meanings. So 3 is 6 means 3 into 10 to the power, e means 10 to the power 6. So 3 is 6. If I print number, then the output will be 3 and 60. After that there was a data type in Python, that's name is complex number. So we all learned in mathematics at the time of class 9 and class 11, that's a z is equal to 4 plus 5z. It's a complex number type. If you see that type of things anywhere, then the number is, we know, complex number. So z is equal to 4 plus 5z. If you print z, then output will be 4 plus 5z, that's but assign complex number by the Python compiler. And after that if you need to check the type of the variable, type of the value, then we can also find the type. So z is equal to 3 plus 2z, then we can also find the type of this value, okay, type of the numerical value. So print like that type, and under the parentheses we have to write the variable name, that's value is written, that's we have to find, okay. Then z, then the output will be class complex, because this is a complex number output value, that's why. And after that print abs means absolute value, okay. So if you write print abs under parenthesis -2, then the absolute value 2 is output, because in abs function we have to know the abs function will be only assign the value only 2, not assign minus plus sign, okay. After that there is a power function. Power function means if we write in Python programming language power a and v, then the output will be e to the power v, okay. Then in this example 2 and 3, so output will be 2 to the power 3 and the answer will be 8. So after that there is a round function. Round function means we all know in mathematics world there was a round off system. So 4.75 round off is, we all know 5, and 4.5 round off is we all know 4. We all know from mathematics 4.0 to 4.5 the round off will be 4, and 4.6 to 5.0 the round off will be 5. We all know from mathematics, that's why there is this output. So if you need any round off number, then we can write like that, print round, under the parenthesis we can return the value. After numbers 3, 1, 5, 7, 9, 1, that's like a array, collection of some integer number. If we need to find the minimum numbers from this collection of the integer, then we can use the minimum function, like print min, under the parenthesis we can write nums, that's the variable names. Okay, then the output will be minimum numbers between this, so output will be 1, and after that print maximum numbers, we can find from the collection of integer, we can find from the maximum number, so maximum number will be 9, and after that we can also sum the all the given digit, okay, given numerical number. So print sum numbers, if you write, then the all integer number will be sum, and output will be the summation of the all given integer number. So if you sum the number 3, 1, 4, 4, 5, 9 plus another 9 equal to 18, 18 plus 7 and 1, 8, 18 plus 8. So 18 plus 8 means 26, we all know. So 26 will be the output. So by this function you can use in numerical data type, and you can you don't need to write the numerical data type, and don't need to assign any numerical data type in Python. So this is the simplicity process of Python. So this is numerical data type, that's already we learned. After that we are starting with the list data type, that's from the sequence data type. Sequence data type, the list one is discussing today, and after the next video another topics is discussing, that topic will be discussing. So in list data types, collection of many data types. List data type is like a array. You know, in array, if you learn array, then you know in array we have to make a collection of similar data types, like only integer 2, 3, 4 like that, and you can also collection, you can also make the collection of character data types, that's ABC like that. So in array we all know collection of similar data type, but in list data types there is like a array, so you can make a collection of similar data types, that's like integer, character or float or double, anything. And in list data type there is a extra feature, there is a extra features that collection of many data types. You can make a list like you can write ABC, that's a character, and also you can write 3, 2, that's a integer. You can mix up some many data types. Okay, that's the advantage of list, that's not in array. Okay, so list data type, it's a order by index, like an array there is a order. So at first your index name is index number is 0, and after that 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay, and it's a mutable, you have to remember this, the list is a mutable. Okay, mutable. So there are some example like students, that's the list we make. If you assign the list, then we have to write like that. At first the variable name of the list, that's I write students, and after that in the third bracket we write Vikas with the inverted comma, then Vishwa, Siva, Vishal like that. Okay, that's I define a list. Okay, then if you print the full list, then we have to write print students. Students means the entire list. Okay, so if you write the print students, then the entire list will be printed in the output screen, and after that we can print the type of the students. So what I did, array, list or sequence, anything, so we can also check the type of the variable students. So we can write print type students, then the class will be list. Okay, and the list input things in the our output screens. Okay, So after that we can make a list by using another list, another string, another tuple. We can make any new list by the helping of another previous list, or by the helping of another string, by the helping of another tuple. So there are some examples. You can see a list2 is made from list students. That's already we are discussing. Okay, this is a student list. We can make a list2 from list students. Okay, then if you print the list2, then the printed thing will be the student list data. Okay, because Shiva Vishwas, like that. And after that we can make also a list from a string, that's because we can make a list3 from list string. This is a because this string, how this strings we are know, this is within a inverted comma, that's why we can say this is a string. Okay, so if you need to make a new list from a string, then you have to write like that, list3 list because. Okay, after that you can print the list, print list3. Then there was a output things, BIKAS, like that. This is the list is defined from, the list is derived from the string because. Okay, so after that there is a tuple. Tuples means we will discussing in previous video briefly, but at this time you have to only see the tuple basic things. List4, we have to make a new list from a tuple, so list4, and after that list 3 4 and because. So the inverted comma because will be not a string, this is a character data type, and 3 4 is a integer data type, the mixed up of many data types, that's called tuple in list. Okay, list data type. So if you print list4, then the output will be 3 4 because. So in Python compiler, if you write the many data type in a same list, then that's called is tuple. Okay, so this is a very simple things. And after that accessing the element of the list, list1, we can write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, their index is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, like that. And you can also print the like a array. So list print, you can write a list1 3 index. So in the 3 index there is a data type, there is a data, that data will be in the our output screen. Okay, in the list index, the index number write in the 2 ways. We know in our array there is written in only one way, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, like that. But in list there is 2 way to write index of a list. Okay, in the list index, the index number write in the 2 ways, 0 to length -1 and minus length to -1, we can write like that. So now we are taking an example, list1 1 2 3 4 5 6, we can write the index also -7 -6 -5 -4 -3 -2 -1. So minus length to -1, and we can also write this by this 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this. Okay, so from this index number we can also print a index value. Okay, so print list1 -4 index, what is the output? So -4 index, we can see the output is 4, so output scheme, the output will be 4. Then after that in a list we can insert an element, we can delete an element, we can extend a element. Okay, in inserting element system, in the list we can insert in int, we can insert in any index, we can extend a list the helping of another links, by the helping of another links. So if you insert to int, then we have to use the .append function. And if you insert any index, then any specific index, then you have to write .insert. And if you need to extend a list to using another list, then you have to write .extend function. Okay, so there is an example of insert it int and any element in the list. So if you write ARR, that's the array 2 3 5 1 9. Okay, then you have to insert in int 11 data. Okay, then you have to write array dot append, in the parenthesis you have to write 11. Then after, if you print the print array, so this array will be changes, and the array will be 3 2 5 1 9 and 11. Okay, then the index will be 0 1 2 3 4 5. So the ended, so in the ended in the end of the index there will be 11. That's I already given. Array dot insert, if you insert in a specific index, then you have to write array dot insert 340. In the third index you have to insert 40 element. That's you write like that. So if you write A and B, then the A will be the index number, and the B will be the data. That's you insert in this A index. Okay. Then if you print the array again, then you can see the 3 to 5 like that, but in third index there are the 40. That's you insert now in specific index, and after the following 1 9 11, that's are separated in separated in another, that's are extended by the 1 index. So in 1 the index will be 4, but in previous array there is a 1 is a index will be 3, but 1 9 9 will be 5 and 11 will be 6. That's our indexes is extended. Okay. If you extend a list, then you have to write list 135, that's a integer data type, and list 2 Vishal Kumar, that's a string data type, character data type, sorry. Then after that you have to extend the list 1 by the help of list 2. Then you have to write list 1 dot extend L2, mean list 2. Then print, if you print the list 1, then the list 1 will be 3 5 Vishal Kumar. So the list 1 and list 2 are extended and to make a new list, that's name is list 1. Okay. So if you need to remove an element from the from your list, then you can remove any element from list using dot remove. If you need to remove any element from the list, then you have to use the dot remove. Okay. So there is an example array 3 5 6 9 2 18, and if you need to remove 2, then you have to write array dot remove the data 2. So the 2 will be removed in the printed array. So output will be 3 5 6 9 18. The 2 data will be removed. Okay. If you write like that. After that there is a example array 3 5 1 6 9 1 2 1 18. Then the array dot remove 1. If you write the remove 1, then the first one is removing, but after the second 2, that's are not removing. So the output will be printed array 3 5 6 9 1 2 1 18. Only first was removed, but not all one as removed, one are removed. Okay. Array after important examples, you can say you can see 3 1 7 8 9 11 23 38. Print array dot pop. Okay. Array dot pop and print array. Pop means if you need to remove the end element, then you have to write dot pop. Okay. Then the output will be 38. That's you remove from the given array. So print array 3 1 7 8 9 11 23, but 38 ended in element is not here in the printed array. After that you there is a important example that you have to remember 3 1 7 8 9 11 23 38 45. Then if you write print array dot pop 2, if you write the pop 2, then the printed array will be the 7, because we all know the index will be 0 1 2 3 like that. So the first index 3 will be in the index of 0, 1 will be index of 1, and 7 will be index of, and 3 will be 0 in the 0 index, 1 will be 1 index, and 7 will be the 2 index, and 8 will be the 3 index. So if you write array pop in the curly in the parenthesis, write 2 index, then the 2 index element will be popped. So 7 will be popped, and the output screen we have to see the see the 7, and after that the printed array will be 3 1 8 9, 11, 23, 38, 45, like that. You can also replace an element from any specific index. Okay, so if you write a st, that students VISHAL, like that, this is a string data type, and if you change the index num 1, student 1 equal to a, then if we print the student, then the index 1 element will be replaced by the given a. So we know 0 is on b index, 1 index will in on I index, so I will be replaced with the a. We can see on our output screen BASHA. So I was replaced by a. After that, student, there is a important example is this student BISHL 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's the index number. Okay, after that you can replace the one of more element. Okay, more than one element you can replace. Student 1:5, that's the MNOP. 1:5 means 1 to 4 element will be replaced by MNOP. So 1 index to 4 index, 1 index means I to 4 index means A. Okay, ISHA is replaced with the MNOP. Okay, then you have to write MNOP in between ISHA, and L and B will be same. So I:5 means 1 to 4 index will be changes, replace. Okay, so 1:5 means this one is 1 from 1 index, but this 5 is 5 minus 1, that is 4. Okay, till 4 index. So after that there is a similar example ABCDE, that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 index, and if you replace the element 1 to 4, then you can write 1:4, the replace element will be 1 to 3, then 1 to 3 element will be replaced BCD. Okay, then MN, we write MN only. Okay, then 0 MN, only 1 to 2, because we write M and N, not we write any other things. So that's why only 1 and 2 index will be replaced by MN, and after that the element will be not there, this is removed, and after the index you will be printed. So this is a very important example. You have to remember these examples. Okay, this is a very important examples. You write 1 to 4, 1 to 3 index, but you are not inputted 3 things, 3 element, you only inputted 2 elements. So the 2 element will be replaced, but in the third index the element will pop and the E will be in the third index. Okay, you can also copy a list to the another list, and you can also sort a list, sorted order. You can print in a sorted order to a list. Okay, and you can reverse the list also. How you can copy the list? At first we can see. So in list 1 we are written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we can reverse the list 1. Okay, the element will be reverse. 1, 2, 3, 5 will be 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so if you write list 1 dot reverse and single parenthesis, there is an empty parenthesis, then if you print the list 1, then the output will be reverse 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and after that we can copy a list to another list. We can make a list 2 by the helping of list 1 dot copy, and after that empty parenthesis. Okay, then if you print the list 2, then the output will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and if you have to sorted element from a list, then you can write a list 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then list 1 dot sort, and after that empty parenthesis, then if you print the list 1, then the output will be in a sorted order 1 2 3 4 5. So by this important function you can make any things in our Python world. You can copy an element from list, you can sort it an element, we can reverse an element, we can do anything, we can replace an element, we can remove an element, we can insert an element in any specific index, in any in end position, begin positions, any things. So this is the total list in a Python world, and in another video we'll discuss about the string, tuples and boolean dictionary sets and another things. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the full video.